So it all started when I was in Pondi, when I get a call from the Doma Palace Group of hotels in Gangtok, asking me if I could go to North Sikkim and shoot one of their hotels. So I wrapped up my work, packed all my stuff, and headed to Gangtok. Greetings to all the people watching this video right now. Sabizana thigai hola. So it's a regular winter morning in Gangtok, but for me, it's a shoot day. So I'm at Gangtok today. The skies are pretty clear, the sun is shining, and I can see the beautiful Kanchenjunga range just across the hill from my hotel. You know guys, all my life I've been in this area, Kalimpong, Siliguri, Darjeeling, Gangtok, in and around this area, but I never got the opportunity to go visit North Sikkim and witness it for myself. I've seen it in pictures and all the beautiful landscapes, the snow, especially during the winters. It's beautiful is what I've heard. But today happens to be the day finally where I'm going to a place called Lachung. Although I'm going there for my work, but altogether I'll be going and exploring the place, and I hope there is massive snowfall as well. And I'm gonna show you guys some really beautiful places, and I'm also gonna keep you updated about the hotel which I'll be photographing, and I can give you a little information if you guys ever plan to go to Lachung and stay there. So it's gonna be awesome. Anyway guys, before I leave for Lachung, my cab is waiting downstairs, but I wanna quickly tell you about this hotel which I'm staying here. It's in Namnang Road, called the Doma Palace. Very beautiful hotel. The view from the hotel is like totally awesome guys, especially during the winters. And even the staff here, cleanliness, the food, everything very good. I mean, trust me on this, and if you do come to Gangtok, give this hotel a visit, it'll be cool. So I'm gonna go down now and head towards the north. So we have just stopped here to check out this tiny little waterfall which you see behind me. It's called the Butterfly Waterfalls. It's so tiny and cute, look at that. So I think portrait photographers would love this place because the waterfalls, it's tiny, they can come with their model, It's not so far away from the main town of Gangtok. So it'll be like a nice drive, you can come with your model and shoot in this very location. So it'll be kind of cool. So yeah. Okay people, so we have just here stopped at the midway to just check out this view. So I'm gonna be flying my drone here and you can check the view now in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay people, so it's hot as hell in here, and it's a place called Mangun that is somewhere in the middle of Lachung and Gangtok. It's a valley, so it's downhill and it's kind of hot here. But the peak which you see behind me is, I think that is where we are heading. That is the northern part of Sikkim. And what more beautiful a view can be when the summit of the mountain is covered with snow. So that's kind of cool. Alright people, so the place which you see behind me is a place called Chungthang. So let me tell you something about Chungthang. Chungthang is a place which is a no plastic zone. So from here and beyond this point, you are not allowed to take any sort of plastic or the truck guys. So yeah, I was saying any sort of plastics or single, disposable plastic bottles and stuff. A lot of cars today. So anyway, 3 kilometers prior to this place, there was a disposing area. We had to throw away everything, and a law was enforced to us saying that if we are caught using any sort of plastic or if we carry any plastic material, we'll have to pay a very heavy fine, or the locals are obviously, gonna be very mad and gonna whoop your ass. So please always make sure that if you're traveling to North Sikkim, plastic goods not allowed. And one more thing about Chungthang is there is this river Tista from where they have created this dam from where they provide electricity to all the northern part of Sikkim. So all thanks to Chungthang that we have electricity now in Lachung, Lachen and all this northern area of Sikkim. So yeah, now it's kind of getting dark, so we are going to head now straight away to the hotel where we are supposed to go. So I'll see you in Lachung. Okay. Oh shit guys, damn, it's cold. -5 to -7 degrees Celsius. Easily outside temperature is what I'm guessing right now. Inside little warm because this hotel which I'm staying in has wooden interiors and stuff, and plus I have my heater on, so at least that's a saver right now. So it's a full moon night, okay guys, and there's snow everywhere, and just from that window the moonlight kind of reflects on the white snow and looks amazing. So this is the exact view right now from my window. I'll just turn off the lights and take a picture, just see it. So yeah, about the journey guys, it was amazing. Until Mongan, it was okay, it was like any other ride, but then as we reached Chungthang and started heading upward guys, that was amazing. Like a lot of army camps, so I didn't want to fly curious and risk that, and plus it helps to intact the privacy of that place as well, and it's nice in a way. You don't need to show everything to the world. I mean, amazing landscape or some amazing things are just meant to be witnessed when you're in person and you're right there at the spot. That's more amazing than seeing it in front of a screen, because a screen would never do justice to what you would actually see it with your naked eyes. So yeah, having said that, I think I'm gonna now sleep, so I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Okay.